Hey guys, a warm welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the computer upgrade king empowered PC Sentinel Gaming Desktop, a beast of a system that's built to deliver top-tier performance for both gaming and productivity. If you're looking for ultimate power, speed, and reliability, this desktop has it all. Let's take a closer look at what makes it stand out. At the heart of this machine is the Intel 24-core i9-14900KF processor. This powerhouse CPU is designed for extreme performance, whether you're gaming, video editing, streaming, or running complex simulations. With 24 cores, it can handle even the most demanding tasks effortlessly, giving you the edge in high-performance applications and gaming. Whether you're multitasking or running intensive workflows, this CPU ensures that everything runs at lightning speed. For graphics, the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5080 16GB is an absolute game changer. This GPU is designed to crush the latest AAA games, support ray tracing at ultra settings, and power through creative workloads like 3D rendering or video editing. With 16GB of dedicated VRAM, it ensures that you can run even the most graphics-intensive tasks smoothly, offering stunning visuals and high frame rates for the ultimate gaming experience. The 96GB DDR5 RAM is another standout feature. With this massive amount of ultra-fast memory, you can easily handle everything from multitasking with multiple apps to editing 4K videos and running virtual machines. The DDR5 technology ensures faster data transfer speeds, making sure that everything runs with minimal latency and maximum efficiency. Storage on this system is handled by 2x2TB Gen4 NVMe SSDs, providing you with a total of 4TB of blazing fast storage. These SSDs offer insane read and write speeds, meaning you can load games, large files, and applications in seconds. With 4TB of space, you won't run out of room anytime soon, and the lightning-fast storage ensures that you'll never have to deal with slow boot times or long load screens again. To keep this powerhouse running at optimal temperatures, the 360mm liquid cooling system does an incredible job. Liquid cooling ensures that even during the most intense gaming sessions or demanding workloads, your system stays cool and performs at its peak without throttling. This makes it perfect for long gaming sessions or heavy multitasking. The Wi-Fi 6E provides ultra-fast internet speeds, allowing you to stream, game, or download with minimal lag. Plus, with Windows 11 Pro pre-installed, you get the latest features, improved security, and an optimized user experience that keeps everything running smoothly. In terms of design, the empowered PC Sentinel features a sleek and modern tower, making it as stylish as it is powerful. Whether you're showing it off in a gaming setup or using it for professional work, this machine will turn heads. In summary, if you're looking for a gaming desktop that can handle anything you throw at it, whether it's top-tier gaming, content creation, or extreme multitasking, the computer upgrade king empowered PC Sentinel Gaming Desktop is a phenomenal choice. Click the link below to grab it today at the best price. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tech reviews. We'll see you in the next video.